Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Leg numbness, cramps, and circulation issues are more than minor inconveniences. They can be significant indicators of underlying health problems. Addressing these symptoms is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. When we ignore leg numbness or frequent cramps, we risk overlooking potential issues related to circulation or nerve health, which can lead to more severe complications down the line. This video will explore essential information about the foods and vitamins that can help alleviate these symptoms. You'll learn about specific nutrients that support nerve function and improve circulation and dietary changes that can make a real difference in your daily life. We'll also discuss practical solutions and lifestyle adjustments to enhance blood flow and reduce discomfort. Understanding the importance of circulation is vital, as it is crucial in delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and tissues. Additionally, we'll touch on neuropathy awareness, helping you recognize when seeking medical advice is okay. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with valuable knowledge and actionable tips to tackle leg numbness and cramps effectively. So, whether you're experiencing these issues or want to be informed, stay tuned as we dive deeper into this vital topic affecting many people. Your legs deserve the best care. We are here to help you achieve that. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Stop leg numbness and cramps. Eat these foods immediately. If you're tired of dealing with leg numbness and cramps, it's time to incorporate specific foods into your diet. First on the list are foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all crucial in supporting muscle function. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, while leafy greens like spinach and kale provide magnesium and calcium. Other great options include avocados, sweet potatoes, and nuts, which help keep your muscles functioning smoothly and reduce the likelihood of cramps. But it's about more than just the right foods. Hydration is equally important. Dehydration can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes, which can trigger muscle cramps. Ensure you drink water throughout the day, and consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages, especially if you're active and live in a hot climate. Aim to include these foods in your daily meals to combat leg numbness and cramps. Start your day with a smoothie packed with spinach and banana, snack on a handful of nuts, or enjoy a hearty salad topped with avocado. By making these simple dietary changes, you can significantly improve your muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, your diet is a powerful tool for preventing discomfort, so don't wait. Start preparing these foods immediately for relief. If this home test is positive, you have neuropathy. Neuropathy can manifest through various symptoms, including tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation in your legs and feet. If you've been experiencing these sensations, it's essential to take action. A simple home test can help you determine if you may have neuropathy. To conduct this test, find a quiet space to sit comfortably. First, check for any visible signs of nerve damage, such as changes in skin color or temperature in your feet. Next, gently use a cotton ball or a soft cloth to touch different areas of your feet and lower legs. Pay attention to any areas where you feel reduced sensation or discomfort. Another effective method is to perform the pinprick tests. Using a blunt, sharp object like a toothpick, lightly prick the skin on various parts of your feet. If you notice a significant difference in sensation between different areas, this could indicate neuropathy. If your home test yields positive results, it's crucial that a healthcare professional conduct a comprehensive evaluation. Neuropathy can indicate underlying health issues, and early intervention is critical to managing symptoms and preventing further complications. Remember, while this home test can provide valuable insights, it should never replace professional medical advice. Take charge of your health and seek guidance if you suspect neuropathy. Stop leg pain now. 10 foods boost your leg circulation. Improved circulation can make a significant difference if you're struggling with leg pain. Here are 10 foods that can enhance circulation in your legs and promote overall vascular health. 1. Beets. Rich in nitrates, beets help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that support vascular health and reduce inflammation. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower blood pressure and improve circulation. 4. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels and enhances circulation. 5. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in iron and nitrates, essential for healthy blood flow. 6. Garlic lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, but garlic can also help improve circulation. 7. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts contain healthy fats and antioxidants that support vascular health. 8. Dark chocolate. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. 9. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can enhance circulation. 10. Olive oil. A staple of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in healthy fats that promote heart health and circulation. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can lead to long-term benefits for your vascular health. Aim for a balanced diet that includes these circulation-boosting foods regularly, and you'll be on your way to alleviating leg pain and enhancing overall well-being. This vitamin, after 50, is a miracle for improving blood circulation in your legs and feet. Maintaining good blood circulation becomes vital as we age, especially for those over 50. One critical vitamin that plays a crucial role in supporting vascular health is vitamin D. Research has shown that vitamin D not only helps regulate calcium levels in the body but also contributes to the health of blood vessels, promoting better circulation. Aging can lead to a decline in circulation due to various factors, including reduced physical activity and changes in blood vessel elasticity. This can result in symptoms like leg pain and numbness and an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is essential for maintaining healthy blood flow and overall vascular function. To optimize your vitamin D intake, consider incorporating dietary sources such as fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks into your meals. However, getting enough vitamin D through diet alone can be challenging, especially for those with limited sun exposure. In such cases, vitamin D supplements can be a beneficial option. Before starting any supplementation, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the proper dosage for your needs. By prioritizing vitamin D in your diet and considering supplementation, you can significantly improve blood circulation in your legs and feet, enhancing your overall health and quality of life as you age. Stop muscle cramps now. 5 powerful solutions. Muscle cramps can be painful and disruptive, but there are practical solutions to prevent and relieve them. One of the most beneficial approaches is incorporating stretching techniques into your routine. Gentle stretching before and after physical activity can help relax your muscles and improve flexibility, reducing the likelihood of cramps. Focus on stretches targeting specific muscle groups prone to cramping, such as calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance is another crucial factor in preventing muscle cramps. Dehydration can lead to muscle fatigue and cramping, so drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential. Additionally, electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium play a vital role in muscle function. Consuming foods rich in these nutrients, such as bananas, nuts, and leafy greens, can help keep your muscles functioning optimally. Lifestyle changes, stretching, and hydration can provide long-term relief from muscle cramps. Regular exercise can improve muscle strength and endurance, making cramps less likely. Also, consider incorporating relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation to reduce stress, which can contribute to muscle tension. These robust solutions, stretching, staying hydrated, balancing electrolytes, and making lifestyle adjustments, can effectively prevent and relieve muscle cramps. Take charge of your muscle health today and enjoy a more comfortable, active life. If you experience numbness and cramps in your legs, avoid eating these foods immediately. If you're dealing with numbness and cramps in your legs, it's essential to be mindful of your diet. Certain foods can exacerbate these symptoms and negatively impact your overall leg health. First and foremost, processed foods high in sodium and sugar should be avoided. Items like packaged snacks, fast food, and sugary beverages can lead to dehydration and increased inflammation, both of which can worsen numbness and cramps. Additionally, unhealthy fats in fried foods, margarine, and many processed snacks can hinder circulation. These trans fats and saturated fats can contribute to plaque buildup in your arteries, reducing blood flow and increasing the risk of cramps and discomfort. Instead of these unhealthy options, incorporate whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Mindful eating habits can also significantly help manage your symptoms. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel, and consider keeping a food diary to identify any triggers. Avoiding processed foods, unhealthy fats, and excessive sugar can create a more supportive environment for your legs. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil to promote better circulation and reduce the likelihood of cramps. These dietary changes can significantly improve your leg health, helping you feel more comfortable and active daily. Making these proactive changes can significantly improve your leg health and overall well-being. Taking charge of your health journey is essential, and we encourage you to implement the strategies discussed in this video. Whether adjusting your diet, staying hydrated, or incorporating regular exercise, every small step can improve your feelings. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these tips. Together, we can create a community focused on better health and support each other in our journeys toward improved leg health and overall vitality. Thank you for watching.